Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the lead trader. It is January 5th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So before looking at Tesla today, I thought we would be looking at some of the indices. Nasdaq 100, look at this big drop today. Look at the stochastic at 23. And stochastic yesterday was at 70. Is that it? Yes, at 70. So big drop here. S&P 500, big drop also. Stochastic at 58, borderline. And Dow Jones, just a little bit of a drop here, still pretty much high on this channel here. So maybe this had an impact on Tesla because Tesla basically lost $61.47. So that's 5.35%. We closed at 1088.12. 1088.12. And post-market, we are down further 171 at 1086.41. So let's see at what this looks like on the chart. For the past 2 days, we were right up there at 1200 and 1210. And today we came back to our support. I cannot say that this is unexpected because the stock is supposed to bounce between support and resistance. Basically, this is what it does. And when it breaks resistance, then that's a new pattern and we can get in and go higher. So now the body of the candle is right smack on our support. So this is further confirming our support. Let's go see the 1 hour chart before looking at the indicators. So on the 1 hour chart, this is what I had drawn yesterday, this symmetrical triangle. We broke it and went down to support. So this was a nice opportunity actually to make some money. So personally, I bought a put right here, approximately here, a strike price 11.25, and it went straight down and sold it here. It was a nice little profit, and I kept my shares of Tesla. This is a way of making some extra money on the way down. And also at the same time, because on the hourly chart, the stock is going below 60 in terms of stochastic. Then I sold, this is a little bit aggressive maybe, but I sold some covered calls, strike 12.10, I think, expiry on the 14th. We are Wednesday, so we have 7 days to go. I'll see what happens with that. But I kept my shares. So this is a way of making some extra money at the same time as being long Tesla. So if we look at the opening here, so we closed right here yesterday. Today we opened right smack on the support. This is fantastic when it does that. Went up to the resistance. I'm not sure it was there, or maybe I put it after. You can keep me straight. You can fact check me. I have all my videos in the channel. No, I think I redrew it. This is the new resistance then. And went sideways, stayed above the support right here, and then started to cave in. And stochastic here started to come at 57, then 54, then 44. So I did not short right here because there was a possibility that we could just be using 11.22 as a support or 11.31. So these are the two supports that we had. I wanted to wait to see a break on those supports. So I saw a break on those support on the 5-minute chart. So when I saw a break on the support right here, and you see here on the 5-minute chart, stochastic went up to 60 a little bit when this came up, but then stochastic was basically destroyed. But then the stock came back here and then started to go down here. So this is at the point where I bought the put and stochastic was at 5. So I just wrote this one until the support. And guess what? On the hourly chart, this is very clear. So we use the support. I'm going to make it wider. We use the support 1079.82. And 1079.82, we have been following that for a long while, and we just touched it here On the hourly chart, stochastic at 5, everything else is pretty bad. But because the trend lines, support lines, and resistance lines are the most important things to take into consideration, the stock can still bounce back from that. And we are quite a long way from this resistance. So if you want to catch, maybe tomorrow, I don't know if it's going to happen, but if you want to catch a little move back up, then you can try. And it's not until we are going to break this that the stock will be free from this bear trend that we have been in since January 4th. Let's go see the daily chart. Let's stop talking about options and all of those wonderful tools. Now we are talking more shares. What is happening for our shares? To me, the important resistance is still 1054.69. So if we maintain ourselves above 1054.69, I'm going to be happy and the stock will be in the congestion zone right here. And maybe the stock will go higher just before or on the earnings call. So I think that will change things a little bit, but we are still a month away from that. So I hope the stock, because of my covered call, I hope the stock will remain under 12.10 or 12.15. I don't remember. In terms of stochastic is still quite good. It's at 62, over 60, the stock should be able to recover. If we go underneath 60, while at the same time breaking a support, to me, 1054.69 is a stronger support than this descending support. Then if we have stochastic under 60, breaking 1054.69, I might sell my shares and go buy a put again and let it come down and then buy the shares back and sell the put with some profits. So basically, this is how I am planning on playing this. RSI is still above 50, MACD still crossed over and the two lines above 0 and the MI is still good. I hope this is just a little fluke and the stock does not go down too much. And then we can start going into this congestion zone. For my YouTube members, I added a new perk. You might have seen a special request video. So on Friday, I will do a special request video for my members. So if you are one of my members, you go into the special request video in the comments and you tell me which stock you would like me to analyze for this Friday's special request. So please limit yourself to only one stock because I don't have that much time and I'll do this analysis for you. And you can pick the same stock every single week. There is no problem with that. With that said, I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.